Hello everyone. Now we have to see exercise 6.3 question number 2. Find the values of unknown x and y in the following diagrams. All of you know that exterior angle property and angle sum property. Exterior angle property, that is exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. And angle sum property, the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. सो इसका इन दोनों प्रॉपर्टी का यूज़ करके एक्स एंड वाई की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर. लेट्स सी हियर ट्राइंगल इज गिवन, एक्स वाई आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. सो हियर यू कैन यूज लीनियर पेयर ऑल्सो, अदरवाइज ट्राइंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी, एक्सटीरियर एंगल, एनी मेथड you can use. Let's see. First we have to find the value of y. Let's see angle 120 degree and this angle y are linear pair. This is the linear pair, okay, and that's why 120 plus y is equal to 180 degree, because linear, that is adjacent with supplement. So y is equal to 180 minus 120. So your answer will come y is equal to 60 degree. So this y is 60 degree. Now you can find the value of x. Angle sum property. We know that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. So x plus 50 plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So x is equal to x plus 50 plus 60, that is 110, is equal to 180 degree. So here x is equal to 180 minus 110. So x is equal to 180 minus 110 is 70 degree. So value of x is 70 degree. ये हो गया first one. Now we have to see second question. Let's here. Now here also find the value of x and y, and triangle is given. So here angle 80 degree and y are vertical opposite angle. Are vertically opposite angle. And vertical opposite angles are equal. That's why y is equal to 80 degree. Because vertical opposite angles are equal. So y आपका 80 degree आया. Now you can find the value of x. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 80 plus 50 plus x is equal to 180 degree. 80 plus 50, that is 130, plus x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 80 minus 130. So x is equal to 50 degree. So value of x is 50 and value of y is equal to 80 degree. Next one it is, now you can find the value of x and y. Here 50 triangle के तीनों angles देखो, 50, 60 and y. Now you can first find the value of y using angle sum property, and then find the value of x. Linear pair हो गए. Otherwise exterior angle. You can use any method. Let's see, first find the value of y. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so that's why 50 plus 60 plus y is equal to 180 degree. 50 plus 60, that is 110, plus y is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 minus 110. So y is equal to 180 minus 110 is 70 degree. So value of y is 70 degree. तो x and this 70 degree, that is the linear pair. तो ये एंगल हो जाएगा 110. अदरवाइज एक्सटीरियर एंगल का भी फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हो आप. एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ इट्स इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल. interior opposite angles. Okay, so exterior angle is x, sum of its interior opposite angle, that is 50 plus 60. So x is equal to 50 plus 60, that is 110. और लीनियर पेट यूज़ करने के बाद भी आपका आंसर 110 ही आ जाएगा. यू कैन यूज़ एनी मेथड. नेक्स्ट वन नाउ, find the value of x and y. Now here x and 60 are vertical opposite angle. So here x and 60 are vertical opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. So therefore x is equal to 60 degree because vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. So x is equal to 60 degree हो गया. Now you can find the value of y. Angle sum property. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 30 plus 60 plus y is equal to 180 degree. 30 plus 60, that is 90, plus y is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 minus 90. So y is equal to 90 degree. Value of x is 60 and value of y is 90 degree. Next one it is find the value of x and y. Here double x is given, but here you can see first one 90 and y here vertical opposite angle. Okay, so here 90 degree and y are vertically opposite angles and vertical opposite angles are equal in measure, so that's why value of y is 90 degree. Okay, so y is 90 degree. So now you can find the value of x. You can use angle sum property. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so that's why 90 plus x is equal to 180 degree. X plus x कितना हो जाएगा? That is 2x is equal to 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 90. So 2x is equal to 80 minus 90, that is 90. Here 2x. Now x is equal to 90 divided 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8 and 2 fives are 10. So your answer will come 45. So x is equal to 45 degree. So value of x is 45 degree. And now here last question is 6. See here measurement कुछ भी नहीं दिया. So here angle x given है. That means exterior angle, outside के angle है x. And here interior angle 1 is given y. That means here x and y are vertical opposite angle. In the given measurement here x and y are vertical opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Okay, and vertical opposite angles are equal in measure. That's why x is equal to y. मतलब जो x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी वो y की वैल्यू होगी. सो यहाँ पे x is equal to y है तो ये भी y हो जाएगा. Here also x is equal to y because vertical opposite angle. x is equal to y ऑलरेडी हमने प्रूव किया है because it is vertical opposite angle. So अभी ये सारे इंटीरियर एंगल आपके y हो गए. So now here you can use angle sum property. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So that means y plus y is equal to 180 degree. So y plus y, that is 3y is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 divided 3. 3 ones are 3 6 are 0 as it is. So y is equal to 60 degree. Y 60, or all of you know that x is equal to y. So x also 60 degree because x and y are vertical opposite angle. So now here complete question number 10.